The Colonial Theatre in Boston, Massachusetts, opened in 1900, is the oldest continually operating theater in the city. It is located at 106 Boylston Street on Boston Common at the former site of the Boston Public Library. It is a pending Boston landmark. The Colonial Theatre was designed by the architectural firm of Clarence Blackall and paid for by Frederick Lothrop Ames Jr. The theater first opened its doors for a performance of Ben-Hur on December 20, 1900 with a sold-out show and Winston Churchill attending. Ben-Hur operated with a cast and crew of 350 people and featured 8 live horses on stage in full gallop during the chariot race scene. The play was so mechanically and technically extraordinary, it was featured on the cover of Scientific American. In the 1990s, Colonial President John Platt led a renovation of the Colonial. In 1998, Platt sold his Boston theater interests to SFX Entertainment, now Live Nation. In 2008, Key Brand Entertainment purchased most of Live Nation's theatrical assets, including its lease on the Colonial Theatre. When KBE's lease ended, the City Performing Arts Center assumed operation of the venue and continued booking in partnership with KBE.